Hello, this is Patty from Patty's Kitchen, Cooking with Patty, and I am showing you the finished product of my Jiffy Corn casserole. And let me tell you the ingredients that I used for this casserole. I used 1 stick of melted butter, 1 box of Jiffy mix, 1 beaten egg, 1 can of cream corn, 1 can of kernel corn, and let's see what else did I use. And I topped it with sharp cheddar cheese. Of course, you can use any cheese you'd like. And I greased my Pyrex dish with grapeseed oil. And let's see, I don't want to leave anything out. Oh, I mixed it. Oh, did I tell you sour cream? I did a cup of sour cream. And I put in some garlic powder, some parsley flakes, and another ground salt-free seasoning that I like to use. I think I've told you everything that I used in it, but this is the finished product. I baked it on 350 for 45 minutes, and it is good. So this is a simple dish that anyone can fix. And you probably have the ingredients in your pantry right now. So simple and inexpensive. Jiffy Corn Casserole. Goodbye, and thanks for joining Patty's Kitchen.